So, nasa gangway exit na kami, guys. Level 2. So, andito na tayo, guys, sa may ferry. Sila kuya. Siparit ko tong video na to, ha? From here. Bye-bye, boat. So we're docking, guys. Kanina pa kami nag-aantay dun sa may gilid kasi pinuno talaga yung isa bago kami makaparking. So wala kaming plan. Anong gagawin? Maglakad-lakad lang sana dito para lang makababa ng barko. Pero kung may mga tour na ano doon na kahit sandali lang magtutour kami. Kung ano lang ang meron. So hindi ako magpa-promise na magtutour.
Oh, mana boleh buat? Unang boleh tu. Sakit dia imbangan tuan.
Ay buti may upuan dito.
Nah, ya.
Para habang nag-aantay. Ha? Red carpet.
Eh?
They have a red carpet. So, andun yung boat. Ayan. Picture, we need a picture. With this one, it's very organized. There's a water station here. Ayan. Yun nga, may red carpet. Ay! Yeah, so we're here. We just have to do a picture of that welcome to tingi-tingi. And we go back to the boat. So, may mga ano na talaga dito. Bilihan ng something. Yeah. Oh, bali. Where's that? Pandora. Ayan na siya, mga ganyan. Gusto ko lang mag-picture dun. So, welcome to Port of Silocan, Bawang, Bali. Mga budol-budol. Ayan. Good. Mga pabudol nila. Excuse. So, andito ako banda, guys. Ayan, makikita niyo may nagtitinda ng ganyan. Grabe, ang linis ng tubig, ang linis ng area dito. Ayan. And hindi ko alam talaga kung saan kami. So guys, I think we're just here kasi may mga shop na. Sa amin ba, makalakad lang sa labas, makababa lang ng ship. So guys, merong Pinoy restaurant dito, Kaibigan Resto. Second branch din nila. Tuloy po kayo. Hala, ay. Hala. So saan? Where? Lakad-lakad na lang talaga kami, guys. Mainit na lakaran. So, hi.
You can look
Okay.
Okay, looking here. Hello, inside, yeah.
Good.
Good. Feeling good.
What is on the market?
Hala, Saibel, that's so pretty. No, not Fira. Remember? Hey, good. Just looking. Oh, this one. Oh, no, not that one. Like, you remember the dress in my... Yeah.
Very nice one.
Hi. Now we're just here.
Maybe tomorrow you have a plan in Benua Harbor?
We have already.
You can try, ma'am.
It's okay. Thank you. Ewan ko. Pilipino ba talaga? Kaibigan eh. Tuloy po kayo, oh. Diba? Pilipino siguro. Hello.
Please.
Somebody been to Philippines?
Yeah. Hi. Good.
Filipino shop,
Looking in
yeah.
myself. Come
Okay.
here.
We do. We've got Philippine shops.
Look, it's
Yeah.
free.
Yo, it makes me confused.
Why are you confused?
Looking bag, madam.
Oh, Sybil would jump into this shop like, oh, like, she like that, like.
We should like
So-
the ones we brought, I think.
Yeah. So I'm so confused. I'm confused kasi Filipino restaurant pero mga Indonesian sila or I don't know what. So what's that then? It's Filipino restaurant but they're Indonesian. I don't get it.
Maybe they're all similar.
Let's look over there. There's something more there. We're going back now, guys.
Yeah, if you're done, yeah.
Tapos na yan.
Huh?
Yeah. Tapos na. Mm-mm.
No.
Tapos na.
We walk around in the city.
Ah, it's okay. Yeah. Picture daw ba no?
Around there.
Silokan Bawang.
We can bum it
Bawang. Ayun talaga, na-shock talaga ako ba? Hindi ko, mga Indonesian sila. Ano ba? I'm just, what make me confused.
Because they're like you're Asian.
So, what make me confused? Because, why in the Filipino thing, there's a Filipino thing here? Or what? I don't know. So, my I think it's here, toilet there. So, pabalik na kami. So, kahit short video lang itong ano ko guys, dito sa Bawang area. Isiparit ko pa din siya like Bali thingy thing na video. Hindi siya humid. It's not humid na, bossing?
Hot, but not.
It's hot but not humid, but I don't mind that one. It's okay. Oh, I should have my what's that? Umbrella. Back sa area ng ano guys, see? What's that? They come here. See? Balik na. May pa-welcome talaga sila dito eh. Tapos na kami dito guys. Ayan. Going back.
No, we've just gone out.
Ay, oh. That's that. We're moving. Point 5. Yan, may nag-tour kanina niyan. Punuan siguro yan kanina. Bye-bye bawang. Bawang. Bawang or bawang. The boat is here. Uy. Video natin kasi rare natin itong makita na ganito. Kasi naka-tender. Today lang. The coming days is magdadak talaga tayo. Ito na yung pinaka-close talaga. And just like that, we're back. So dito na mag-e-end yung bawang trip natin guys. It's very small. Island lang ito kaya hindi na walang tour. Pero mayroon siguro na bus hindi lang namin abutan. But anyway, happy naman ako na doon lang.
There's a room over there.
Guys, dito mag tap in, tap out ang ano. And then may ano sila doon, security thingy. Baka may dinala kang pabalik, bawal 'yon.